In the plugin menu, includes pre-built tool plugins as well as functional plugins that can be added. You can also search in the plugin market to download the required plugins to install the use of. In the Scene panel, we have prepared 7 commonly used preset scenarios for you. Windows System Shortcut, frequently used URL presets, common information presets, music consoles, OBS console, Photoshop and Premiere Pro. If the scene page needs to be reset, it is also possible to reset the data in the scene settings. In the Scene panel, we can add or subtract custom scenarios at will. In the Scene setup, we can complete the scene following setup, as well as renaming the scene. Import and export of scene files can also be accomplished. It's in the setup. We can drag the icon directly to complete the operation of one click to open the application. We added touchscreen operation. And frequently used folders, material library, can also be opened with one click. With the operation flow, we can accomplish more complex operation contents with one click. Tools plugin can be incorporated into the action flow with a single click. For example, one click to open the work environment, one click for gameplay combos, etc. The menu bar in the upper left corner. We also offer tutorials for more varied scenarios and tutorials on how to use the plugin. In the forum we can discuss and seek more possibilities of use.